After recognizing the different types of trigonomic identities, we can begin to apply them. In these example problems, we are asked to simplify each of the expressions using the trigonomic identities. For the first example, we have to simplify the expression of sine of x multiplied by cosine squared x minus sine x. The first step would be to factor out the sine, to which we get the expression of sine x multiplied by cosine squared x minus 1. From our prior knowledge of trigonomic identities, we can convert cosine squared x minus 1 to negative sine squared x in order to reach sine x multiplied by negative sine squared x. When looking at this expression, we can see a familiar identity, which is the Pythagorean identity. This identity is sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. And in order to get cosine squared x minus 1, we must move the values around. First, we will bring the 1 over to the left by subtracting to get cosine squared plus sine squared minus 1. The last step in order for them to match would be to move the sine squared to the right by subtracting. Now we know that cosine squared minus 1 is equal to negative sine squared x. The final step to simplifying this expression would be to multiply negative sine squared x by sine x, which leaves us with the answer of negative sine cube x.